As I shared last week, silver dropped below 2180, the next support levels, and in fact has breached 2120 before recovering a bit towards the last trading session. We also did see in the last week's analysis that silver is trading in this near-term bearish channel, at the long-term bearish channel, and the near-term bullish retracement. It has to go past this in order to trade bullish. Now, what to expect next week? Is the bottom done for the week, and can we expect a bounce back, or there is furthermore? If yes, which position you should take in order to profit next week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the daily updates which I share for silver. Let's start. First, we'll look into the charts followed with indicators here. Now see this. Silver on the weekly charts here, you can see after this group breakout has been consolidating here in this zone, and this is still a bearish flag here. But at the same time, if you look at the near term charts, we have seen several times that $18 levels, which are the support here, has given it a good support, giving triple bottom on the weekly charts, has recovered nicely. Now here is the zone at 24 which needs to be broken in order to trade bullish, that is for sure here. Now look at the weekly charts on the near. See, after consolidating here and trading overbought, it has shedded nicely here. At the same time, you can see this was the breakout here at this zone. Silver has broke out and now it has completed the journey back to these levels. So precisely 21 levels are certainly a very good support. 21 dollars and 2050, in fact till 20 it has got very good support. That is also the bottom of this near term bullish channel, and hence we have to be watchful and cautious here. That is first part. Next part is look at the previous two candles. See, this candle a longer tail and a smaller body, it means the bulls are there and it has put the prices on the upside. You can see this very clearly. The body is very small this week. Also look at the previous week, it has got the prices or pressure on the downside. This week it has got the pressure on the upside. Now precisely this median at 22 and 2220, these two levels needs to be breached in order for silver to reverse a bit. Then you can expect 2250 and 23. Now the next resistance zone which I will be looking forward to is $22 to $23. This zone is going to remain an important resistance. Breaking above this only, you can expect that it is trying to trade bullish. This is on the weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, several times I told you, see this drop, step, drop, step, drop. Now it is trying to again create the step. Now see, this levels after reversing, it failed to breach past the previous highs and the move size is getting smaller here. So first thing is, in order to confirm a little reversal, it has to break past 22, then 2220 and 2250. If these three levels are taken, then you can consider that silver has reversed and probably we may see a little high still 2350, $23 levels possible there. Now also if you look at the daily charts, you can see silver is trading in this first half after staying there on the second half of this channel. Now it tried to breach and again trying to reverse. Now also on the daily charts, you can see the support is here at 21, which is very strong. Multiple candles shied away from breaching 21. Now this should be a very strong support here, below which certainly 2080 and 2050 levels are going to be a good support, and in fact 20 is there, which is also the bottom of this channel, is going to remain a very strong support. Now look at the month. On the monthly chart, see these are long-term trend lines which are there in my analysis here. And if you look at, see precisely silver has reversed from the highs of this channel and it is still trying to treat this as a flag, and possibly once it breaks out beyond this channel, certainly it is going to give you very strong bullish move. Let's see when this breakout is seen. At the same time, if you look at after giving 4 bullish candles with a strong bottom, see 4 candles with the same levels at $18, this is a very strong base, which is, see when the base is strong, the building can go higher and we can see further rising. So it is trying to retrace as of now. And also if you look at the candle, see higher highs, lower lows, the pivot here right now at around 2290 levels. So this 2290 or $23 levels, if it breaches, certainly it will try to show more bullishness, but we have to be watchful there, because see, the lows probably for the month are done. It may try to retrace a little on the upside and try to close somewhere here at around 2220, 2250 levels, possibly in the remaining few trading sessions, and hence a little rise next week. And in fact, for the till the last of this month, probably we can see it retracing a little till 2220, 2250 zone. Possibility exists for this. So this is just on the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? Now, if you look at the indicators, the 20 and 50 period moving average are trading with divergence. This is a bearish indication. That is the first point. Second point is the 50, 20 and 100 period moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. This is the second point. And right now, if you look at, silver is trading well below 2050 100 period moving average. This is also a bearish indication, and hence this zone at 2250 2350 zone is going to remain an increasingly important resistance zone. Specifically, once it breaks past 2250 and 2290, certainly more bearishness, more bullishness can be seen. Now look at the daily chart. Directional movement is divergent and bearish, and it has been trading bearish since long now. If you look at the stochastic, this was trading oversold. It has recovered a bit, but look at the slope there. The slope is very minimal. It has to trade increasingly bullish. It has to give a stronger bullish candle. Hence, wait for a breakout. Now look at MACD. The MACD candle size is diminishing. It is on the verge of a crossover. And see, this crossover is almost happening at a lower level. After trading bullish in this, it is taken a sharp drop. Now possibly a little reversal on the upside is seen. Wait for this to cross over in order for it to confirm the bullishness. The RSI is trading oversold and it is trying to recover a bit. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, the 20 period moving average is on the verge of a crossover with the 50 period moving average. This is happening after long, and this is a good indication for silver that it is trying to trade bullish from here. I will wait for it to break past the 100 period moving average. Then it is a confirmed signal that we may see bullishness from there. But right now, looking at these red candles, probably it may try to delay a bit. However, this crossover is important on the weekly charts. Probably a little reversal can be seen. Directional movement here is crossing over for a sell entry. This is one important observation, because see, once it crosses over, it tries to bring little more bullishness. It has not yet crossed over. That is also you should note. Stochastic has fallen to oversold, and in recent past, whenever we have seen the weekly stochastic falling to oversold levels, it has recovered strongly. It has rebounded strongly, which means that there is a possibility for it to trade bullish. But on the contrary, look at the MACD. The MACD has already crossed over. This is only worry point of mine, that the MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is the first red candle, and this is an only worry point here, which makes me a little bit cautious of the bullish move. And hence, even if it tries to rise, 2280 $23 zone is going to be the next strongest resistance, only above which certainly little more bullishness can be seen. Probably achieving those levels, it can again try to come back and close at around 2250 2220 zone towards the end of the month. This is one more expectation. So right now it is crossing over. It is looking downwards. It is indicating bearishness. RSI is also looking down here on the weekly charts. Now look at the monthly. Now on the monthly charts, interestingly, it is now trading just below the 20 months average and trade above the 50 and 100 period moving average. And see, the 20 months moving average is curving down. So this is some indication. This is not a good indication for the bullishness, but it has not yet crossed over. That is good. Once it crosses over, certainly little more bearishness might be observed here. Look at the directional movement. This is crossing over for the bearish move here. The stochastic on the monthly charts is extremely overbought, and certainly this indicates that at least this candle might try to close in red, which means that we may not see it trading past 2450 zone in this month at least. And as this candle probably will close in red, and we may see a little darker red, which means 2250 $22 levels be a good ideal closing level for silver in this month of February, which may see stochastic dropping a bit. Now another interesting observation on the monthly charts, see MACD, you can say silver has crossed here for the bullish move, and since then almost from the bottom here it has crossed over and given stronger bullish moves here. So almost from 1400 or $14 to we had seen $30 of high is there. Now see on the monthly charts, it has also achieved high, and since then it has cooled strongly. It has now come to the verge of a bullish cross again, and once it trades bullish from here, maybe in next couple of months or so, once it crosses over, certainly, and also that will be a breakout from the long term bearish channel, which will bring more bullishness here in silver in next few months or so. Then you have to be watchful of this. The RSI is looking down, indicating little bearishness. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you for next week, such that you can maximize the profit. And yes, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts in first week of March. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, see where to buy next week. First of all, 21.85 you can buy. Expect $22 first resistance, 22.20 the next resistance. Beyond that, we may see hitting 22.50 levels. Now, first is the levels here. Certainly 22.20 and 22.50 going to be very good resistance. Beyond that, 22.80 the next target, and this is going to be strongest. 22.80, 23, be cautious of this. Even if it tries to rise here, it is going to get the maximum resistance, and from these levels we can see it getting pulled back down. Above 23, certainly more bullishness will try to take it till towards 23.50 and 23.60 zone, possibly beyond which only sky is the limit on the upside. However, till 23 you have to see, if you are taking a long entry here, you have to keep booking your profits at each of these milestone and keep re-entering. Do not hold it that okay, once it has broke past 21.85, you can say that directly it is going to land at 23. This is not going to happen. Yes, ups and downs will be there, and hence keep booking your profits and keep re-entering. At the same time, on the upside, if it trades beyond and if it breaks past that long-term bearish channel, you can definitely expect that it is trying to give a breakout, but certainly it is going to take a little time from here, and hence till then you have to keep booking profits on the upside as well. Now on the downside, yes, you can sell here at 21.60 levels, but then remember my last week's level 21.50, 21.40, and then 21.20. If these are taken, if 21.20 is taken, certainly we can see $21 levels, the next support, then 20.80, and then again 20.50 levels will come into picture. Below that, a sharper drop will be seen, which might take it till towards $20 level. In between this zone, you have to be cautious, you have to be watchful, you have to be aware, you have to be attentive. Do not keep the trades, keep booking your profits. Do not keep continuing or holding the position, as it is still not bearish. It is trying to trade in a consolidation fashion. The downside till $20 levels is very strong support levels. We can possibly see a reversal till then. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, trading week ahead. Do watch the daily analysis as well. Thank you.